Good morning children. I welcome you all to the next video of class 12th accountancy. We have started with the part A book volume 1, that is we are talking about partnership. So we have started the first chapter, that is fundamentals, and this is the second part of that chapter. Earlier we have talked about how to prepare the trading account, PLN account and balance sheet. Along with that we have also learned how to prepare PLN appropriation account. Okay, now first of all we need to classify the items or the accounts into fixed accounts and fluctuating accounts. So how we are going to prepare them, you need to know. Under this system, that is fixed capital account, the original capitals invested by the partners remains constant unless additional capital is introduced or drawings are made against capital by an agreement. In other words, capital of the partners are not allowed to change during the lifetime of the business except in extraordinary circumstances. When fixed capital method is adopted, all the entries related to drawings or against profit, interest allowed on capital, interest charged on drawing, salary to the partners, share of profit or loss are made in the newly opened account for each partner. This account is called the current account or the drawings account. Thus, the following two accounts will be prepared separately when the capitals are fixed. Okay, so when the capitals are fixed, we will prepare two different accounts. One will be capital account and one will be current account. In capital account, what things we are going to show? We are going to show the opening balances that will be brought down over here. If any additional capital is there, then we are going to show it over here. If there are any drawings, that will be shown over here, and then carried down balance will be shown over here. And other items, other treatments relating to anything else, that is interest on capital or commission of the partner or profit and loss appropriation or interest on drawings, will be done in current account. Okay, now if they are saying that if it is fluctuating capital accounts, okay, then what we have to do, when the capitals need not to be fixed, the balances of the capitals go on changing from time to time. The reason is that no separate current accounts are maintained, but all the entries relating to drawing, interest on drawing, then salary of the partner, etc., are being shown in one account only. See this. In the absence of any information, the capital account should be prepared by this method. If it is not given that the capitals are fixed, then you are going to prepare the pro forma like this, brought down, then any additional capital is brought over here. Earlier what you have done, additional capital and brought down balance or any drawing is being shown in the fixed capital account, and all the other entries were shown in the current accounts. Now you are going to show it in the same account, all the things. If it is interest on capital, partner salary, commission, PLN appropriation, drawings, interest on drawings, or any losses. Okay, then we are going to move ahead. Distinction between fixed capital accounts and fluctuating capital accounts. They have given on the basis of change in capital, then number of accounts, then recording of the transactions, and can a capital account show a negative balance also. So you can go through them. Now I am going to solve one question and show you how to do it. This is the question that we are going to do. Continuing part of the question is over here. Now the question has asked you that assuming that A and B are equal partners, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account as at 31st March 2019. Okay, they have not mentioned about anything that whether it is fixed or fluctuating capitals. So in the absence of the information, capitals will be treated fluctuating. First you need to prepare PLN appropriation account. So they have given the profit as 2,40,000. Okay, you will take the profit as 2,40,000. Then what they have asked you, they have asked you interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 6% per annum. So the capitals are 6 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. On 6 lakhs you will allow 6% and on 2 lakhs you will allow 6%. The total will become this. After that, they have said B was entitled to a salary of 60,000 per annum. So to B's salary, you will show 60,000. Then what you are going to do? They are saying the drawings of partners are 60 and 40,000 respectively. Interest on drawing for A and B, they have given 2,000 and 1,000 respectively. So interest on drawings will be shown over this side. PLN appropriation account, how to prepare it, I have already told you how to prepare it. Okay. So now you are going to take out the profit. This will be profit, and what they have said that the partners will share the profit equally. So this amount will be divided equally between A and B. Now next step is you have to prepare the partners capital account. There are two partners, A and B. Now you will show that the amount will be 6 lakhs and 2 lakhs, what their capital belongs. Then after that you will show salary to B, that is 60,000. After that, interest on capital you have already calculated 36,000 and 12,000. After that, profit and loss that you have calculated is this much amount. Drawings you will show over here, that is 60,000 and 40,000 for A and B. Okay. Then interest on drawing, they have already given you 2,000 and 1,000. Okay. This is the column for date, particulars, then for A, for B. The same is followed over here, date, particulars, A and B. Okay. What now you are going to do? You are going to do the total of this side. It will become this. From this you will subtract the 62,000. This will be the amount of carried down. Same manner you are going to do for B also. You are going to do the total of this side. From this you will subtract 41,000 and you will get the amount of carried down as this. So this becomes your answer. Now we are going to practice question number 12. Let me read this. This is A, B and C are partners in the firm having capital of 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 80,000. For A it is 2 lakh, for B it is 2 lakh, for C it is 80,000. On 1st April 2050, their current account balances are 20, 10 and 50,000. Sorry, 5,000. Okay. Then according to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10%. B, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary of 6,000 per quarter. The profit were to be divided as follows. Now for taking out the profit, this criteria is to be followed. What they are saying, the first 60,000 in proportion of their capitals. So capitals are in the proportion of 20, 20 and 8. Okay. So you are going to take out the proportion. Then next 1 lakh in the ratio of 4:3:1. And remaining whatsoever will be left will be divided equally. Now what does the question say? The firm made a profit of 2,80,000 for the year ended 31st March 2016 before charging any of the above item. Prepare PLN appropriation account and pass necessary journal entry for the appropriation of the profits. So you need to prepare first of all PLN appropriation account. Okay. PLN appropriation account, they have given you that the profit is 2,80,000 and they have asked you to provide interest on capital at the rate of 10%. So on 2 lakhs you will provide 10%, it will be 20,000. Then for B's capital it is 2 lakh, then you will provide 20,000. For C you will provide it on 80,000, 10%, it will become 8,000. So the total is this much amount. Then next what are they saying? That B was a working partner, so he is entitled to a salary of 6,000 per quarter. So that will be multiplied by 4. Okay. Then you will get the total year salary for B, that is 24,000. Now profit will be the rest difference of this amount. You will subtract from this, you will subtract this amount and this amount. You will get the total. But how this total is to be divided, that I will show you how this total is to be divided. Okay. So from this 280 you have subtracted this 48 and 24, it will become 2,08,000. Okay. This 2,08,000, what they have said, the first 60,000 in the proportion of their capital. So the proportion of their capital has been taken out as 5:5:2. That is 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 80,000. It will be 5:5:2. So starting 60,000, you will divide this 60,000 in this ratio, that is 25 10,000, 25,000 and 10,000. Now next, what are they saying? Next 1 lakh in the ratio of 4:3:1. So next 1 lakh, 1 lakh will become, it will become 50,000 over here, then it will 37,500 over here and 12,500 over here when you will divide this 1 lakh in the ratio of 4:3:1. Now you have to take out the remaining amount. Okay, the remaining amount is left and that will be divided equally. So the remaining amount is divided in the ratio of 1:1:1, that is 16,000, 16,000 and 16,000. Now what you have to do, you are going to add the amount. This amount will be added, this amount will be added and this amount will be added. The total over here is coming, that will be shown over here in the profit transferred. Okay, the amount is same, that is 2,08,000, but how it will be divided, this is shown over here and this is what they have asked you in the question, how to divide them. Okay, so you are going to divide them in this proportion, the question they have asked, then you are going to show them to profit transfer to A's current, to B's current and to C's current, and you are going to show them over here. So this is the entire solution of this question. Now children, we are going to move ahead in the next video and I am going to move ahead with some complex question. Up till then, you prepare the notes of these questions and take care.